Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to get music on Capcut. Alright, the first thing you should do is you have to create new project on Capcut, and after you create new project and then you want to get music to your edits, you can click on this add audio. Then you gotta choose sounds. And if you want to get music that has been available on Capcut, you can click on this button. Then there will be a lot of music that you can use to your edits. Don't forget to download the music first by clicking on this download option. And after you download the music, this plus button will appear and you can click on it to add the music to your edit. And you can also add the music from your device by clicking on this button. And you can click on from device. And right now I'm just gonna choose the music that has been available on Capcut. So I'm just gonna click on this plus button. Alright, and now the music has been added to our edit. Okay guys, that's how we can get music in Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.